Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we're going to unbox the K9 wireless microphone. So these are cheap microphones that you can connect with your iPhone or your Android phone. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the parcel, and I bought these microphones from Draz.pk. If you're interested, I will put the link in the video description. I bought the one which has two microphones and one receiver, so if you're recording an interview, then that is very useful. K9 wireless microphone, and that's all. Show live photo, interview, vlog, short video. Here you can see the same thing. On the back we got its specification. Plug and play, no software is needed for this. You have 30 meters of accessible reception, so that's its range. Precise audio, clear timbre, high sensitive and widely compatible. So let's just open it. We're going to cut open the seal first. In order to unbox them, we are just simply going to pull them from the box, and here we have our box contents. First of all, we got our two microphones, our receiver, converter and a wire. So let's start with the actual microphone. Here is the K9 wireless microphone. You have full plastic body. Here you have your actual mic, and you can see that the quality is not that great. On the side you have a Type-C port in order to charge these microphones. On the back you got a power on and off button, and you have this clip to clip onto your shirt. So I got the dual microphone system, so if I want to take, let's say, interviews where I am the first person and I am taking interview of another person, then I can easily use both of these wireless microphones simultaneously. Other than that, you're going to get a USB Type-C to lightning converter, because if you see in the receiver you have the Type-C receiver, so you can connect it with your Android phone, but if you're an iPhone user like me, you can use this converter connected, and now you can connect your receiver to your iPhone using this. Here we have a small box where we're going to have our charging cable, and here we have our little Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable, which is quite short in length, so you can use any Type-C to Type-A cable to charge these microphones and the receiver. And by receiver, let me show you the receiver itself. Here is the receiver, which has these little plastics on it. Again, fully plastic made, nothing too much. On the side you have a Type-C cable to charge the receiver, and here we have a Type-C port to connect to our Android phones. Last but not least, we have a quick start guide, which is, as you can see, quite stuck in the box, so I'm not going to bother to remove it. The main thing about this is that this whole setup is plug and play, meaning that you do not need to install any app on your iPhone or on your Android devices. If I, let's say, enable one of these microphone, you can see that is blinking red and green because it is currently in pairing mode and it is trying to find the device that is connected with the receiver. So let me show you how you can connect it with your phone. Here I have an iPhone. Any phone will work. If you're using an iPhone, you're going to use the connector that is provided, or the converter, and you're just simply going to plug it in on your iPhone using the charging port or the lightning port. And now you can see that the mic has been connected, and its light has turned solid green, which means that it has paired successfully. And on the receiver you do not have any kind of indicating light. Here is an audio test using the K9 wireless microphones. So the audio that you're hearing is coming directly from the K9 wireless microphones. And the best thing there is that with these microphones you do not need any kind of extra gain app in order to run them. I have just plugged it in my phone, and you can see that they have paired seamlessly, which is quite great. Again, this is a budget microphone, so you're not going to have that premium quality with the microphone or the receiver. And actually, if you can see that the receiver is quite long when you have that iPhone converter, so that's a little bit ugly, but looking at its price, it is okay. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.